as always. Best performance as always. Now also in steel for the new line of automotive products. Zen line. On the outside, all the linearity, resistance and elegance of a steel design. On the inside, all DAKEN experience applied to product functionality. Zen line has also completely restyled the traditional stainless steel T-handle, renewing its lines with a new patented design. That is how next T-handle was born. Here at DAKEN, nothing is taken for granted. The entire line is being conceived to meet the real needs of truck drivers. In addition, Zen line includes the plastic version of the next T-handle. Several sizes, several opening systems, several finishes. The entire Zen line boasts numerous combinations. The new automotive steel products line. Beauty and functionality, style and resistance.